Hello friends, welcome to the Increment YT series of RBWM. In Increment YT series, we are covering all the subjects: RBWM, PPB, Indian economy, accounts, all of them. I am covering RBWM. So watch the series completely for all the subjects. Watch all the mentors. Okay? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Don't miss this. Okay, you'll get lot of videos on the channel. See, this channel will give you updates also, latest updates. What is happening at IIBF. Plus, you'll be getting the videos. Why not? It's free. Subscribe to it. Click on the bell icon. Today, we'll be discussing the next chapter, chapter 2, module 2, second chapter. Okay, so let's start. You are given statements labeled assertion and reason. From the options below, choose the correct answer. So you are given these two statements. One is the statement, second is the reason. So now you have to check whether the statement is correct, number one. Number two, whether the reason is correct. Means it can happen that reason is also correct. But it can happen reason is not valid for the statement. Means it might be correct, but it's not valid for the statement. Anything can happen. So you have to check it from all the angles, and similar questions you will get it from in exam also. So choose the first statement. What is this? Assertion. Current account, saving account, CASA. Deposits are very important performance indicators to increase profitability. So CASA is the best indicator to check whether my bank is working properly or not, whether it's profitable or not. So is it true? Is CASA the real indicator or one of the important indicators? It's not only indicator, one of the important ones. Think. Second one, the rate of interest paid to the customers by the bank on CASA deposits are very low. Means the rate of ROI which we give on current account and saving account are very low. That's why they are the good indicators. What are the options? Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A is false, R is true. Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. And both A and R are false. Now think over it, everyone. Check the answer. Yes? What is the answer? Everyone is getting this? Is A correct? CASA is a good indicator. So that is in fact, CASA is actually the good indicator, isn't it? Because in CASA, what do you get? When people give CASA with you, current account, saving account, it means they are trusting you more. See, always you will have a savings account with a bank which you trust more. So A becomes true over here. Okay, A becomes true. A is true over here. What about the reason? The ROI paid to the customers by the bank on CASA deposits is very low. Is it true? Is ROI very less? What is the ROI in your bank for, let's say, current account? What is the rate of interest in your bank on current accounts? Yes, comment section, everyone. Give me the comment section. What is the ROI in your banks on current accounts? So on current accounts it is, yes, 0. And what is the ROI in your banks on savings account? Current account is 0. Kindly note. What is the ROI on savings account? Now it depends on bank to bank, but generally nowadays it is 2.5%. It depends on bank to bank. Again I am saying it changes from bank to bank. and period to period. So this is also true, but is B, reason, the correct explanation of this? So yes, that is also true. So the answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Because rate of interest of CASA is low, that's why I am having free money. If I am having free money, then I'll definitely earn more, means I'm in the advantage, right? Got it, everyone? Which of the following banking is business to customers, B2C approach? So which one is B2C approach? Think corporate banking, wholesale banking, retail banking, all of the above. B2C. Many of you will say, sir, B2C means to customer, bank, business to customer. So many of you will say that, sir, everywhere we have to go for customers only. But the approaches are called as B2B and B2C. Business to business and business to customers. So which one is B2C? B2C is basically retail banking. Retail banking is a business of B2C. You directly deal with the end consumer. This is consumer, end consumer. Okay? Now similarly, next question. Which of the following banking is a business to business approach? B2B now. Which one is B2B? Corporate banking alone, wholesale banking alone, retail banking alone, A and B both. Think now, think. Is it corporate banking or is it retail, wholesale banking, or obviously retail banking is not the answer. So C is out. So either it can be A or B or D. So what is the answer? Many of you are typing it as corporate banking A, because many of us have not heard of this word called as wholesale banking. Many of us have not heard of the word called as wholesale banking. So what is wholesale banking then? Kindly note, corporate banking and wholesale banking are same. They are same. No change in them. Corporate banking and wholesale banking are same. These are different names. So the answer is this. A and B both. Okay? Kindly note, it is what are the three approaches of business? One is B2C, B2B, business to business, corporate banking. B2C, business to customer, retail banking. And third one is P2P, peer to peer. This is a new concept coming up. In this, bank is not required. It is called as crowdfunding. P2P is crowdfunding. Okay? Which of the following statements regarding retail banking and wholesale banking are not correct? Check. Not correct you want. Not correct. A retail banking targets the individuals. Means A is retail banking targets the individuals. B, wholesale banking deals with corporate clients. Wholesale banking deals with corporate clients. Retail banking is a class banking market. Class. Wholesale banking looks at smaller market. Smaller. It means customer base in wholesale banking is small as compared to retail banking. So which one is not correct? Kindly note. The question over here is not correct. See, retail banking targets individuals. That's correct, isn't it? Because we are targeting individuals only. It can be normal customer, it can be HNI, it can be anyone. But we target individuals only. Wholesale banking deals with corporate clients. So that is also true, because just now I gave you the explanation. Wholesale and retail, wholesale and corporate banking means the same. So this is true. This is true, right? What about this one? Retail banking is a class banking market. Class means we choose only choosy customers. This is wrong. This is false. Because retail banking is a mass banking customer. Mass. We require a lot and lot of customers. Huge volumes. That's what we require, isn't it? Wholesale banking looks at smaller market. That is true because the customer base in wholesale banking is small as compared to that of the retail banking, isn't it? So that's why the answer is C. We want not correct. Not correct means false. So answer is C. Consider the following statements regarding the wholesale banking or corporate banking and choose the incorrect one. Again, look at this. Incorrect. You have to choose the incorrect one. Think now. Read this. The ticket size of loans in retail banking is low. Wholesale banking looks at relatively smaller segment of business corporate client as compared to retail segment. Smaller segment. Okay. You want incorrect. Corporate banking is B2B approach. Which one of them is incorrect? The ticket size of loans in retail banking is relatively low. Is it incorrect? Relatively low compared to corporate banking. Wholesale banking looks at relatively smaller segment of business corporate clients as compared to retail segment. Corporate banking is a B2B approach. Which one is incorrect? Yes? Which one? Which one is incorrect? Don't try to give the answers. Be confident about yourself. Be confident. This is very tricky one. Yes? So the answer is none of these. All are true. All are correct. So answer should be none of these. That's why I said trust yourself. If you feel all of them are correct, so write it, all of them are correct. Why are you trying to find the answers within this? That's why deliberately I didn't give this. I wanted to check the confidence level. See, the answer is E. None of these. All of them are correct. The ticket size of loans in retail banking is relatively low. Correct. The loans are hardly 1 crore, 2 crore in retail. Corporate banking, it's 1,000 crores. Wholesale banking looks at relatively smaller segment of business, isn't it? Smaller segment, they'll look at. Corporate banking looks at smaller customer base. Corporate banking is a B2B approach, so that is also correct. So all of them are true. True, true, true. All of them are true. So once you know all of them are true, then what? What? E, you should be confident of yourself. Right? Got it? Next. Dash model provides functionality across the products with customer data business orientation, database orientation. The centralized customer database is used across all products. So which is this model which gives you a common database for all the customers, for all the products? Horizontally organized model, vertically organized model, predominantly horizontally organized model, predominantly vertically organized model. Now think, this is a bit difficult one. Those who have read it will be able to answer it. Think of it, everyone. Try this, everyone. Think of it. Is it horizontally organized? What is horizontally organized? In this model, horizontally organized, the data is shared within the same product. Kindly note, if I am having the data of home loan, I will be sharing it with only home loan. they're having the data of let's say personal loan, I'll be sharing it with only PL department. I will not share it with other departments. This is horizontally organized. What is vertically organized? Here we have common database. The data of home loan can be used by savings account, can be used by current account, can be used by FD, can be used by credit card. Anyone can use any data. Common database. So what is the answer required then? So Dash model provides functionality across the products with the customer database orientation. So who provides? Vertically organized model. Vertically organized model provides the common database across all the products. Okay? Consider the following statements regarding the wholesale banking and choose the incorrect one. I think the same one. Yeah. Which of the following models is the standard norm in public sector banks? See, standard in public sector. Now you think, all of you, which of them is the correct answer, standard norm in your bank only? Many of you are in public sector banks. Now think of the answer. Which is the standard norm in public sector banks? Is it horizontally organized or vertically or PH or PV? Which of them is a standard norm in public sector? Public sector means, now you think, do you share your data? If you are working in account opening department, do you share your data with other departments? If you are working in clearing department, do you share your data with other departments? No, right? We don't share the data in public sector banks, right? So we work in silos. That is the main problem. This is not the problem in foreign banks. Private banks and foreign banks, they work on vertically organized model, common database. The full data is shared across all the products. Okay? Which of the following is or not the desirable behavior to be adopted by the branch head as a part of increasing branch profitability? So, if somebody wants to enhance his branch, move his branch ahead, what should the branch manager do? He or she requires to be nice and appreciative to the branch staff. There should be a proper reward, appreciation for good workers. Punishment should not be followed for erring employees if they do not improve by persuasive means. Which one should be followed by the BM? Suppose if you are the BM, what will you follow? Increasing branch profitability and maintaining the good culture in the bank. Appreciative to the bank staff, right? Appreciation should be given to the branch staff. Means you are working very well, you are working very good. The branch manager should always say this: you are working very good, your working style is good. Something means wherever you do something good, then there should be a proper reward, appreciation for good workers. This is called as golden banana scheme. You must always try to reward whatever small you can immediately. Immediately, that's very important. Then punishment should not be followed to the erring employees, even if they do not improve by persuasive means. That is wrong. So if somebody is not at all improving at all, you do anything, then you'll have to use some hard rules as such. Okay? So 1 and 2 are correct. So which of them? B. 1 and 2 are correct. Right? 1 and 2 are right. Got it, everyone? 1 and 2 are correct. Clear? So now, before going everyone, kindly note, we have, all of us, the new batches have just started. Okay? The new batches have just started and you all should first join the virtual library of ours. Virtual library for JAIIB May 26. Kindly scan this QR code and immediately join. Because here you will get many books, many notes Also, just check the new batches. The new batches of Adda 24/7 have just started. Okay? They are still in the starting phase, and December 19th we are starting a new batch. December 19th we are starting a new batch, momentum batch. Kindly join this. E-books, mock test, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything you are getting. E-books are chapter-wise e-books. Mock test, chapter-wise mock test, full-length mock tests are also there. 10 full-length mock tests are there. See, total 165. Out of this, 10 are full-length, like your exam. Live classes, recorded sessions, recorded is also available. If you miss out on something someday, you can definitely get back using the recorded sessions. What's remaining, isn't it? Plus you get handouts given by the mentors. Good, very good batch, detailed batch. Join it ASAP. Click on buy now. Use the code Y432. Kindly note, use the code Y432. 81% discount you are getting. 81%. Huge. Plus, download the app first. If you download the app, you are getting 1% extra. So 82% discount you are getting. Don't miss this. Huge, it is huge. Also, I would suggest, now you have a lot of time. What you can do is you can join the Increment Mahapack of JAIIB. Very important one. Here you get physical books, physical formula bank, question bank at your home, delivered at your home. All the subjects. Plus, you get e-books, mock test, 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus batches. Imagine so many times revision you are having. Right? Obviously, mock tests are there, e-books are there, that is obviously there, recorded sessions are there. Again, use the code and importantly remember, see, what is the validity? Importantly remember, click on buy now, put the code Y432. Okay, look at this. 15 months validity. Huge it is, 15 months. Okay, 81% discount plus 1% extra, 82% through the app. Don't miss this and don't miss the code Y432. Okay, bye.